are my sister, my best friend, my G, I'm a charge. I mean, I'm gonna sell you out in your body. Go best friend, yeah, that's my best friend. Go best friend.
Hello my people, this is your girl Roseann Lawrencejm and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For all the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing, and my old ones that said welcome back. Alright, so I want to show you a bit of clips of me in this show called The Rebounds by Emoji Prime on Emoji Prime YouTube channel. Alright, so these are all the clips that I've been in. I do not own the rights to the clips or a show, so I won't be showing you a show or a song. I'm just showing you the clips I'm in, and also showing the clips that you send to us in our actors WhatsApp group. That's what I've been doing. But I want to show you all the clips and what I've been doing for a while. I'm not showing you any of my content because I don't have any, and also I've been feeling down lately. So, well, feeling sick and down. So I wanted to show you guys this and just promote the channel a bit and show you guys what I'm up to. So it basically clips from 1 to 3 that is in this little promo video of me. So hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, and share on both channels as well. And let me know what you think in my comments about my acting and the progress that I've been making so far. With all that, enjoy.
I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of I might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the plan. Yeah, oh, come on. I worked too hard for it.
Angela, right?
Yep. So, your girlfriend left you.
Yeah, that she did.
What did you do?
I'm sorry. Can we not talk about this, please?
Sure, whatever.
Thank you.
So Ross said you want to smash to get over your ex. Is that true?
Yeah, that's correct.
Cool. So where you want to do this?
I mean, we can do it by the bed.
You got protection?
Always. Call me.
Wait. We're not coming off, huh?
What's wrong with you now?
This selfish of a woman won't answer my damn calls anymore. She met this stupid, ugly guy at our party the other night, and suddenly I'm irrelevant after everything we've been through.
Okay, pause. Calm down. Look at yourself. Want to see you turning red? This girl not acting right. But calling her names, that's beneath you, Adam. We were raised way better than this.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just fed out, man. It's like you can do so much for a person, but the moment a shiny new toy comes along, they're just gone, man. The way these women operate, it's just sickness, man.
Wait. You don't have a girlfriend at teen, I think 18 or something? And you're here complaining about somebody else?
Wait, first of all, she's 20. I'm not a damn pedophile, Angie. She's just short.
Whatever, Adam. You have a girlfriend. And you're here complaining about someone else?
But you are jump up out of my sleep.
I'm walking, you know what I say. People waste man, Eric.
You dirty bumbo.
You dirty crasses boy. Yeah? Save some crasses.
Anyway, people, I don't know what they're talking about, but we are on set and everything. So, yeah. Anyway, so these are some of my behind the scenes I'm trying to show you guys. I will be doing a review. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I mentioned it again. I'll be doing a review of the entire series from whenever it finished. And also I'll be dropping a behind the scenes soon of the show, but I want to drop it when the entire show is finished. All right, or when the entire show drops. With all that said, I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.